fashion, but what's up? I'm home. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a completely different video. As you can tell by the title, I ordered from Fashion Nova. I never thought I would order from Fashion Nova in my life, but I needed a bridesmaid's dress, and honestly for me, I didn't want to spend a fortune. I don't know, somehow I came across Fashion Nova and I was shocked by the options they had. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because I ordered the bridesmaid's dresses, like a couple of options, and then unfortunately they don't do refunds, they just do return credits. So I did end up buying other pieces with the return credit. So yeah, we're just gonna get started now. Okay, so the first piece, I got this Space Jam shirt. It's in size large. Just like my vibe, you know? It's exactly how I expected it to be. The next thing I'm gonna just show you guys is the bridesmaid's dress. Maybe I'll just show you guys everything and then do a try on. It was really hard to find a dress for Ari's wedding because color theme is champagne. There's so many different types of champagne, but I actually really like this dress. The quality is like obviously not the best, but I do want to mention like the other ones that I returned, those were like really good quality. They were like super thick and heavy, but this one's kind of on the lighter end. Okay, the next thing I got, this one top right here. I got it in a size medium because I do have kind of some stuff, you know, just like a simple shirt. The next top I got was like this corset top. I'm really into nudes. Feels so stupid. It kind of looks like a bra, like an old lady's bra. The maid of honor just notified me that for the rehearsal dinner, we are doing a formal dinner. So I had to buy my dresses. So I have two options in this box. Okay, so I ordered this brown dress. It is very thin, so I'm a little worried. It's cute. It has like shoulder padding in here, so it's nice. But this one, it's a blue dress. It is more like formal. The reviews are really good online. So they said to size up. So I got this in a medium. I really like the color of it. This one is actually really good quality. It does have some boob padding and like a corset type inside, which I think is really form-fitting, hopefully. The next three are shoes. They're all kind of similar. These are the black shoes that I got. Well, I really like the square top. It's also good for any occasion. The next style, similar, but it's in nude. This is the one I'm gonna wear with my bridesmaid's dress probably. Nude beige color, and it has the square top, and it just has two of these things. Is the difference between the two? Not that different, but I like both of them. Hopefully they're comfortable. And then the last pair of shoes I got, I think I got these just in case those weren't comfortable because it had a thicker heel. These do feel like more sturdy and comfortable. These are the shoes. I don't know, I personally don't really like the clear trend. Well, I was just scared that these shoes might not be comfortable. That's all I got from Fashion Nova, and now we're gonna go try everything on. I hate trying on clothes. This is the bridesmaid's gown. This one is in a medium. I should have gotten it in a small. It's supposed to like hang off the shoulders like this. I need to get it tightened, and also it's just super long. I also might just wear the straps up like that. I feel like that might be the vibe. But this is the dress. You know. These are the shoes with the dress. They're like slightly big, even though I'm a 7.5 and everything. I like it. These shoes with the dress, I don't think it looks as good as the other shoes, but I will say these shoes are really comfortable. Okay, this is the brown dress. I do like it. I don't hate it. I do think I'm gonna have to make this a little looser. Like I said, it is a bit thin. I like it. It's kind of like a classy dinner vibe. And this one, I would wear the black shoes with it. Okay, these again, they're a little bit big. I don't know how I actually feel about these black shoes with this dress. I might wear boots with this dress. Okay, so this is the blue dress. I really like how it has like the little corset structure. I'm glad I got this in a medium. I do like these little like, what is this, like ruching? It makes me look a little skinnier. I feel really good in this. I really like it actually. I do think it looks good with these black heels. So this is the shirt with a bra under. Obviously my boobs wouldn't be this pushed up if I took the bra off. I don't know. I feel like the side just kind of looks weird because you know how it's supposed to like scoop your boob? It's a very cute top. I don't know, I do like it. This is the blue top. I love wearing blue. I don't own anything this color. I just thought it was really cute. like a simple top. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's definitely not in my comfort zone to be like showing off my body. Also, I'm so sweaty. It's so much work to try on clothes. I'm literally so out of breath. It's also so hot here today. Man, I am exhausted from that. I'll see you in the next video.